Alright, I got you guys set up on the gas can again, acting as a tripod. So I don't know how well you can see. You can probably barely see this, but here we have sandpaper. We're gonna sand all this, get it prepped for paint. Yes, this cover is still cracked, but it doesn't really matter, honestly. It's just a cover to cover the sprocket and the clutch. Well, the clutch actually is kind of important, honestly. That's what makes it shift and all that. So, I probably will, honestly, drill holes in each side of this and just kind of JB weld it or something. But that'll be in a different video, fixing the 70 or something like that. I don't know. That'll be sometime else. Not today. But, yeah, today we're just gonna, I already showed you from the previous clip, we are, got back wheel taken off, bearings put in, all the stuff that it needs to go, except for the chain and the back wheel, honestly. That's all we need now is to put on. And then, I mean, everything else is good. We have everything else. We have a chain too. It's just, we need to get the axle tonight. Order one from Park Seller or something. I don't know where we're getting it from. This thing is sanded. Now we're going to pick you guys up. Got this thing nice and sanded. Now I am going to grab this clear coat and this VHT high temperature engine paint. I'm going to come out here to my cinder block painting setup here. Put the paints down. Lay the cover down. And I will see you guys next time. After this little update, I will see you guys then after I get this thing painted. So see you then.